took one time and put it in the super
Oh.
and lifted the super off. Keep pressure on it. Good? Yep. And back. Just go side by side as much as we can down through there so that we can not fall over the bank.
Yep.
I may just turn it loose and run if we do.
Okay.
Go. Okay?
Yep.
Now you can imagine what this would be by yourself
Yeah.
as an old man. One in the center, one in.
Probably one end of it. For now, until I get the 4x4s.